depression is more than just feeling sad. It is a complex medical condition that affects how you think, feel, and manage daily activities. At its core, depression is a persistent mood disorder that can interfere with your quality of life for weeks or even months at a time. This condition is incredibly common. Millions of adults in the United States experience these episodes every single year, proving you are never truly alone. Symptoms vary for everyone, but often include a persistent low mood, loss of interest in hobbies, exhaustion, and significant changes to sleep or appetite. It is important to distinguish between passing sadness, which is a normal reaction to life events, and clinical depression, which requires professional support. Effective treatments often involve a combination of talk therapy, medication, and lifestyle adjustments tailored to the individual by a medical professional. Remember that reaching out for help is a massive sign of strength. Recovery is possible with the right tools and professional guidance. If you or someone you know is struggling, please reach out to a healthcare provider or a crisis hotline. This content is for educational purposes.